Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today we are making Griot Tacos. So griot, okay, it's a little bit of Haitian fusion kind of thing, okay. So we got the middle Mexican mixed with Haitian, okay, so we got that mixed baby. All right, so let's get to the recipe, you guys. So I am using pork shoulders that I cut up, 2 pounds of pork shoulders. I cut them up in smaller pieces, little bits. So now I'm gonna go ahead and saute my pork. You go ahead and after you've cleaned it, you rinse it with vinegar. Go ahead, give it a rinse, and then put it in your boil some water, and then pour that hot boiling water over it and give it a stir, and then toss that water out. And then now transfer that meat back to the bowl, and then now we're gonna go ahead and start the seasoning. So I'm using 1 chicken knorr cube. I will list all the ingredients in the description box below, be sure to check it out. I'm using 1 teaspoon of creole seasoning. Okay, so this griot it depends on what part of Haiti you're from. Everyone seasons their meat different, so I'm kind of using like a street type of prep. Okay, and from the street, like back home in the street, we don't really season the meat like, you know, with a piece and all that stuff. We don't really do that. When you're making grill, you don't do that, all that stuff. So we're just gonna add a, go ahead and, you know, just watch the video, okay, follow the steps and you'll see, you're gonna love the end results. So go ahead, add all the seasonings. I am using this seasoning, you guys. This marinade is bomb. You need to get it, okay. I know it might depends on where you're from. I don't know what state you live in. If you live in New York, I know it won't be hard. If you live in Florida, I know it'll be easy for you to find. New Jersey, those places, Chicago, very diverse states, so you'll find them. So, or if you can't, you know what, Amazon, listen, Amazon is taking over, so look, check out my Amazon storefront, you'll find them. Anyway, so if you don't have lime juice, I'm using lime juice. If you don't have lime juice, go ahead and use lemon juice or vinegar. So go ahead and after you add all your seasoning, go ahead and give it a stir. Make sure everything is evenly coated with that little seasoning we had. So after you do that, we're gonna, oops, I dropped a piece, put it right back in. 5-second rule. I mean, it's just the counter, and the counter is clean, so it's fine. So go ahead and transfer it back to the pot you're gonna cook it in. We're not gonna let it marinate for long because, like I said, we're doing things a little bit different. We're doing a little traditional. So instead of using a piece, you know, the blended stuff, we're gonna go ahead and add the herbs like that in there. So I'm using fresh green onions, fresh parsley, fresh thyme, Scotch bonnet pepper for spice, cloves, fresh garlics, and bay leaves. So let me pause right now. So I actually just brought my meat to the stove. I didn't add any water to it, so I put it on the stove on low heat, medium low heat. So I let it cook for about 30 minutes, and it made its own water, its own steam, from its own steam, whatever, you know what I'm trying to say. And then after that, I added 1 more cup of water and let it cook for another 20 minutes, and then it was ready to go. This is it right now. Let it cook for 30 to 45 minutes, depending on how small you cut your pieces. So let's go ahead and make the avocado salsa. So I am using 1 small half avocado. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it and go ahead and dice it. I'm using purple onion, white onion, tomatoes, and jalapeno. So go ahead and cut up your vegetables and bring them to the bowl. So after you've added your vegetables to the bowl, we're gonna go ahead and season it a little bit. So I am using a little bit of Creole seasoning, about half a teaspoon, some black pepper. I don't have the peppercorn to ground my own. Some salt, and a little bit of Goya adobo, about one-fourth a teaspoon. Lime juice, of course, a tablespoon of lime juice, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. And after that, just go ahead and stir. Oh, and let's not forget cilantro. Add the cilantro, please. What is avocado salsa? What is any Mexican dish without cilantro? If you don't like cilantro, I don't know what to tell you. Cilantro, please. Okay, so just go ahead and mix it, guys. And that's the avocado salsa. Super easy, super delicious, super bomb. If you want, I mean, I use all the seeds in my jalapeno pepper, so it's a little bit spicy, and that's how I like it. You know, I'm a spicy girl. Yes, honey. So that's my avocado salsa. So let's go ahead and fry the pork, the griot. I love cooking, guys, but I hate frying things. I really do. God knows I hate frying things. Anyway, so this is what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna throw everything in the oil, hot oil, cover it up, and then because this pops, because it's pork shoulders, and pork shoulder has a lot of grease, so be careful, because this is about to start popping all over the place, and I hate getting burned. So anyway, that's what I did, because they're cut in small pieces. They don't need to be fried for that long. Make sure your oil is hot enough, but not too hot, so you don't just, you know, burn that stuff, and so it's not over fried and it's not like dry and all that nonsense. So make sure it's hot enough. Okay, you see how it's popping? Imagine if it wasn't covered. Jesus Christ. And the smell, the lingering smell. I hate frying, but it tastes so good after. Oh, just can't win. Anyways, so you just let it fry for 5 to 7 minutes, because it's small pieces. Let it get that brown color, like a really good color. Once you get that color, you're all set. And because it has a lot of fat, the skin part tends to take a little bit longer, so use your discretion. So now what I did was removing the pieces that don't have that much fat, so they were ready faster. So I removed these pieces out and let the other pieces in a little bit longer. So this is the tortilla that I used. What I did, I put it on the grill, the stove, for like a minute. I mean, not a minute, I'm sorry, for like 15 seconds, until it got a little bit, you know, a little color, a little burnt taste. Let's just grill it a little bit. You don't have to do that, totally optional. Okay, you guys, let's go ahead and build our taco. This is the griot after it's fried. You see that? It's perfect. It's soft and crunchy at the same time. Okay, that's how you make a good griot, guys. And let's go ahead. This is you guys, this is it. This is bomb. This is Mexican and Haitian. Okay, this is what you get. This is an atomic bomb. When you take a bite of that, the explosion you get in your mouth, Lord, you guys. Wow, Cindy. Whew, Jesus Christ. I just be overdoing it. I just be doing it, like, damn. Anyways, you guys, you said it's Taco Tuesday. Give this recipe a try. Feed your family tacos. It's Taco Tuesday. What is there to eat? What else is there to eat besides tacos? Look at this. Look at this crunch. Look at the edges. Oh, Lord. Listen, I'm not even exaggerating. This was bomb. Oh my God. The pikliz, the salsa mixed together. Oh, Lord. Listen, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that button right now, because this is just too good. Okay? Listen, subscribe, otherwise you're gonna miss out. And I'm sure you don't want to miss out. And as always, thank you for watching. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye.